Okay, sketch the rectangle at right on your paper. So if we have the rectangle and the width is 3 and the length is x, find the perimeter and the area for each value. So remember, the perimeter is going to be 2 of the lengths plus 2 of the widths. Or you could also say the perimeter is length plus width plus width. And the area is just length times width. So for A, if we find the perimeter, it's going to be 3 plus x plus x. And they say that x is equal to 5. So we can rewrite the perimeter 3 plus 3. And instead of x, I can put 5 plus 5 plus 5. So the perimeter would be 16. And then the area would be length times width. So the area would be x times 3. So the area would be 5 times 3, which is going to be 15. But then if you change the length of x, as we did in B, we're still going to get 2 3's plus 2 x's. And now x is equal to 9. So we have 2 3's and 2 9's. So we have 6 plus 18, which is 24. And for the area, we're just going to do length times width, which is equal to x times 3, which is equal to 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. So that's the area in A, that's the perimeter in A, that's the perimeter in B, that's the area in B. And then if we talk about C, now we have a decimal. So that makes it a little bit harder, but we can still do it. So perimeter is equal to 2 3's plus 2 4.6's. So I know 2 4.5's is 9. So I know that's going to be 9.2. So this is 9.2. And then this is 6. So I'm just going to get 15.2 as the perimeter. And then the area is going to be 3 times x, or 3 times 4.6. We'll do that up here. So I do 4.6 times 3. And I remember that I can't use a decimal in this algorithm. So I multiply this by 10 to make it 46 times 3. So I get 18, 138. But because I multiplied by 10, now I have to, my answer is 10 too big. So I have to divide it by 10. And so my area is 13.8. 13 and 8/10. I could just, if I didn't understand how to do that, I could just add 3 4.6's together. So I could do 4.6, is 4.6, is 4.6, and I get 18, carry the 1, 13.8.